不要、不想、不可以、不会、不是、不容易、不漂亮、敢不敢、会不会、是不是、拿不动、心不心动。Are you unsure when 不 will appear and how to use it? In Chinese, the most frequently used negations are 不, 没 or 没有, 有 is optional, and 别. I've divided this unit about negations into 3 sections. The second section in this video is primarily about 不 part 2. In the following video, we'll look at the negation 不, 没 and 别 and how they differ from one another. In this video, we will discuss the negation character 不 in conjunction with the final 2 grammatical categories, adverbs and auxiliaries. The first 2 grammatical categories, verbs and adjectives, has been covered in the previous video. You can find its link in the description below this video. In this section, we'll look at more example sentences to familiarize you with its usages. A word in Chinese can be a single character, 2 characters, or more. I'll show you examples of 不 and other 1 character words, as well as 2 character words, to demonstrate the differences in how they are used. Let's start with the 1 character adverb and show how they make yes-no questions with the negation character 不. 快不快 is it or somebody fast? 急不急 is it in a hurry? 敢不敢 do or does somebody dare to? 好不好 did somebody do a good job? 他跑得快不快 does it run fast? Speaker B can say 很快 yes he does, or 不快 no he doesn't. 这件事你急不急 Are you in a hurry about this matter? 很急 Yes, I'm in a hurry. 不急 No hurry. 你敢不敢吃臭豆腐 Do you dare to eat stinky tofu? 敢啊 Yes, I dare to eat. Or 我不敢吃 No, I don't dare to eat. 他报告的好不好 Did he report well? 很好啊 Yes, he did. Or 不好 No, he didn't. In the next section, we'll look at 2 character adverbs. The pattern of the yes-no question is A 不 A B. 容不容易 easily or not. 快不快速 fast or not. 利不利落 quickly and skillfully or not. 大不大方 generously or not. If speaker A asks, 这件事容不容易处理 Is this matter easy to handle? Speaker B can say, 容易啊 Yes, it is. Or speaker B can say, 不容易 It's not easy. 你的职员办事快不快速 Does your staff do things quickly? 很快速 Yes, he does. 不是很快速 No, not very fast. 他的手脚利不利落 Does she do things quickly and skillfully? 很利落 Yes, she does. 不利落 No, she doesn't. 你的老板出手大不大方 Is your boss generous? 很大方 Yes, he is. Or 不大方他很吝啬 No, he isn't. He is very stingy. In the next section, we'll look at the combination of 不 and auxiliaries. Auxiliary plus 不 plus auxiliary, and 不 plus auxiliary. Let's start with the 1 character auxiliary and show how they make yes-no question with the negation character 不. 会不会 will or can somebody? 能不能 can somebody? 该不该 should somebody? 是不是 yes or no, be or not be? 你明天会不会来 Will you come tomorrow? 会 Yes, I will. 不会 No, I won't. 你女儿会不会弹琴 Can your daughter play the piano? 会 Yes, she can. 不会 No, she can't. 这台洗衣机能不能用 Does this machine work? 能用啊 Yes, it does. 不能用 No, it doesn't. 我该不该去找她 Should I go to her? 应该 Yes, you should. 不应该 No, you shouldn't. 这把钥匙是不是你的 Is this key yours? 是的 Yes, it's mine. 不是 No, it's not mine. In the next section, we'll look at two character auxiliaries. The pattern of the yes-no question is also A 不 A B. Like 不 and two character adverb combination in the previous section we have talked about. 可不可以 Can somebody or something? 应不应该 Should somebody? 可不可能 Is it possible that? 能不能够 Can somebody or something? 我可不可以吃东西 Can I eat? 可以 Yes, you can. Or 不可以 No, you can't. 他应不应该辞职 Should he resign? 应该 Yes, he should. 不应该 No, he shouldn't. 这班捷运可不可能误点 Is it possible to be late for this MRT? 可能 Yes, it is. Or 不可能 No, it's impossible. 能不能够再给我一次机会 Can you give me one more chance? 好吧 Yes. 不能 No, I can't. To learn how to use 不 in every circumstance, watch the video several times and go over it again if you are having trouble understanding this section. I think you'll be able to keep them under control. In the next issue, we'll go over the various uses of the negation 不, 没, and 别. If you want to learn more about this issue, please follow my channel. My videos will be regularly uploaded on Wednesdays. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. See you again soon.